This is a European Rowan tree, also known as a mountain ash. Look at this bad boy growing in the little woodland. Rowan gets its name mountain ash because its leaves are very similar to this tree called the ash. You can see they are quite similar, but the Rowans are just quite a bit smaller. That's where it gets the ash part of its name, but the mountain part comes from the fact that you find it a lot on the uplands. I mean, if they're allowed to grow, a lot of deer and sheep tend to eat the small trees, which is a massive shame for biodiversity. What really sets them apart, though, are those beautiful orangey red berries. Berries, whilst you can't eat them straight off the tree because they're extremely bitter, they can be made into a bunch of different things, including a jelly here in the UK that is traditionally eaten with game if you're rich. In Austria, they are turned into an alcohol called Vogelbierschnaps. In some instances can be used as a substitute for coffee beans. Even more important than the human usage of these berries is the ecological usage by a variety of different species. When accessible to them, animals like dormice, badgers, and even foxes make good use of this energy. But by far their biggest consumers are the birds, which swallow the berries whole and then poop out the seeds, sometimes miles and miles away. Plenty to go around here. I'm sure the foxes will be hoovering these up later. Oh. Okay, no, they are bad. I can taste the sins of my ancestors. Definitely leave it to the birds. But this transport system for their berries makes it very easy for them to become a pioneer species in places like the uplands. If we were to let these impoverished ecosystems like the uplands restore, Rowan would be some of the first trees to start growing there, and eventually pave the way for montane woodland. 10 out of 10, amazing tree, great berries, not very tasty.